So you guys know that I make my own soap, but I also make my own facial moisturizer. It's Tallow Balm, and I also make some facial cleanser with this. So today, welcome to my kitchen. We are going to be making tallow balm. First thing I do is melt the tallow, and I use this like double broiler method. So I put the tallow in a glass bowl, and then I place it in this pan and let it heat up until the tallow is completely melted. Today I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of castor oil, about a tablespoon of black seed oil, 10 drops of frankincense, and probably about 5 to 10 drops of copper. The castor oil is extremely thick, but I go ahead and pour it up into the 2 tablespoons. Then I go ahead and add 5 drops of the copper. And some frankincense. Check on our tallow, and it is looking good. I'm thinking I'm going to turn it down a little bit. You don't need it that hot. People always ask, does this smell like a cow or beef fat or something? It has no scent whatsoever, and once you put your oils in there, it just literally smells like nothing. Give this a little stir. Okay, so we're all melted and we are stirring it around. You can now put it in the freezer and let it get, just to a very soft consistency, or you can leave it set here and let it kind of go back to a semi-solid, I guess you'd say. When my tallow balm is done, I like to store it in this little glass container. I boil this in hot water just like I would if I was going to can food. And it can set out on your bathroom counter. You don't have to refrigerate it or anything. So as you can see, it is a little bit more solidified now. So we're going to go ahead and add our other oils. I use this emulsion blender and we whip it up. That's it, we're done. Look how rich, creamy this is. It whipped up great. I've filled my jar full. It is a beautiful consistency. And I take what's left over and I add just a little bit of food grade diatomaceous earth. So after whipping that up, as you can see, it's about the same consistency, a little thicker. And you can wash your face with just a few drops of this and some water. It's really good for exfoliation, but as you can see, it says food grade, so make sure that's what you're getting. We're done. We have our cleanser, we have our lotion. This will probably last months. I never reach into these jars with my hand. I always use like a spoon to get it out, a clean spoon. That way you're not getting any bacteria in there. There you have it. Happy Beauty Day. This is Amy D with Living in Missouri with Amy D on YouTube. So if you have any questions, let me know.